Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. Today I'm gonna react to some Airflare clips sent me by David from Graz, Austria. If you want me to help you with your power moves, or if you want me to follow your progress, check out my Patreon link in the description, and I will also analyze your clips, send you exercises to do, and so on. So check out my Patreon link. So he sent me 3 videos. In all 3 videos he does Airflares, but with different perspectives. First video. The start looks good. Oh, here I can see he's bending his arm. Okay, so let's watch it again slowly. Here looks good. The start looks very good actually. Maybe it's too high, looks like a handstand almost. But here I can see the problem. He's starting bending his right arm. Instead, should be straight. Oh, and also here, as you can see, he lands with the hands turned like this, instead than landing like this. So he should focus on his right arm, keep it straight and land with the hand straight. Not bend and not with the hand turned like this, but hand straight and arm straight. The legs are pretty good, I think. Yeah, look at his right hand. It's in a very weird position. The angle here of his body is good. Also the legs are kind of good. Maybe this knee could be a little bit more towards his chest. Here also the same mistake. The arm is bent and he turns his hand. His hand should be facing this side, not backwards. And here he kind of loses his legs. Second clip. Okay, let's see it again. The start is good, a good swing. As you can see, when he starts, his right hand is in the right position, but should be in this position also when he lands after the first round, not only when he starts. So when you start the Airflare, the hand should be in the same position as when you land from the first or the second round. So here he is too high. He's like this. The Airflare is not like a handstand and is not also like a planche, but it's a mix between a handstand and a planche. So it's 45 degrees from the floor. He's like this. He should be lower with his body, with his hips. His legs actually are kind of low, but his hips here is too high. He should push his hips a little bit lower. And yeah, same mistake as before. As you can see, when he lands, his arm is bent and his hand is facing backwards. Instead should be facing straight, arm bent, and then he falls. Let's see the third clip. Oh, this one is better actually. The start, good. Here is too much in a handstand, so the start is good, but when you put both hands on the floor, push your hips a little bit more down. Then here the knee is pushing good this time, but the hand is always facing backwards. As you can see here, his arm is kind of like bent in a weird position, and also his hand is facing the wrong direction, but his legs are pretty good here. Second round is better than before, than the other clips. And then third round looks like a swipe. But actually his right arm in this third round is better. He's throwing his arm more straight. So after watching these clips, I can give you 3 main tips. First and most important tip is your right or landing arm should be straight, and your hand also should be straight. Not like this, but straight. Second tip is to be a little bit lower with your hips. So not like a handstand. The Airflare is not like a handstand, it's a little bit lower. Just a little bit, you don't need to be too low. Just a little bit lower with your hips. Third and last tip is to bounce a little bit more your legs. In your case, especially your right knee. So right knee should be a little bit more towards your chest and bounce it kind of like a hand hop. Pike freezes and hand hops will really help you. So actually you should really focus on the right side of your body. Right arm, right hand and right knee. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to help you with your power moves, check my Patreon. Or also if you want me to follow your progress. And also if you're interested, check out my merch. Link in the description. See you next week. Yo ninjas!